Are you interested in a career in the exciting and potentially well-paying field of currency trading? But are you not sure how to get started? Or have you started but need a profitable strategy? Goldstarlive offers everything you need to learn how to become a professional Forex trader, from basic level to master trader. We'll teach you all the strategies and secrets of becoming a profitable trader. With our virtual FX Academy, you'll have access to video course from basic to master level that will teach you everything you need to know about Forex trading. Learning from us is convenient too. You can access courses from your home, school, office, anywhere you have the internet. Courses are available in Somali without a monthly subscription. But that's not all. Once you finish the course, we'll give you the opportunity to start investing with a $50,000 live account of our investors' money. That's how much we trust our own training. And the signals we provide are 90 to 95% accurate, so you can invest with confidence. And for as low as $500 today, you can participate in a Forex managed account with our professional traders and start earning profits without any trading experience whatsoever. Goldstarlive is the first company to offer all three of these services in one convenient place. So if you're ready to learn how to become a fearless professional Forex trader, visit our website. Visit goldstarlive.com today. We only accept a limited number of students. Visit our website now.